everyone and welcome to today's edition of Cooking with الجزر. On today's show we're going to show you how to prepare a nutritious drink. For this drink we'll need green apples, carrots, beetroot stems and ginger. Simply cut them all into bite-sized chunks after ensuring that you wash them thoroughly and keep them to the side. Tell a little bit about the nutritional benefits of all these ingredients. We're going to start with apples. Apples are high in fiber and vitamin C and are also low in calories and have no fat or cholesterol. And apples are also high in polyphenols, which act as an antioxidant. Carrots are a rich source of beta-carotene, which is also a powerful antioxidant. Carrots also increase the production of saliva and supply essential minerals, vitamins and enzymes that support in the digestion of food. The juice of beetroot helps to lower blood pressure and has been rated on top for the production of nitric oxide. Beet also contains vitamin C, fiber, potassium and manganese. As for ginger is really good for treating stomach ailments and is a rich source of vitamins and minerals such as carbohydrates, fiber, protein, sugars, calcium and vitamin B6. Now getting back to the preparation of the juice, add all the chunks into the blender. And this is how it would look like. Remember, you don't have to sieve unless you really want to, but all of the goodness is right there in the skin of the fruit and veg. We hope you enjoy this. Thank you.